Mga kaibigan, isang magandang araw sa ating lahat. Good morning to all of you here, from here in the Philippines. Good morning to all of us around the world. Thank you so much for watching our video, to listening us, our voice here. Especially for the people of Italy from here in the Philippines, buongiorno. To all the people in the Middle East countries, thank you so much. Good morning from here in the Philippines, the people of United States of America, Israel, and many others in Russia and China. So from here in the Philippines, in English speaking, good morning. So thank you so much to all of you, mga kaibigan. That's how we are here today. Thank you so much. Happy Sabbath day, every one of us. Especially all the 70 Adventist people around the world, for almost 27 million plus. So thank you so much, and also happy Sabbath day to Kuya Jimboy, to Kuya Jimmy, Honorable Judge Jimmy Bustilio Boco, mga kaibigan, and his wife, kaninyong tanan, good morning, happy Sabbath day to my wife, happy Sabbath day to all of you, to my fathers and mother, to my sister-in-law, brother-in-law, father-in-law, happy Sabbath day to Papa George, and to my sisters and brothers, to my nephew, to all my nephews, happy Sabbath day to all of you, and to all my relatives, and thank you so much to watching us. The God will provide everything about this world. You need to be loyal and be faithful to believe in God, as to remain loyal in our law and our constitution. So thank you so much to all of you. So thank you so much, especially to my wife, the one who go to the church now, because we are rendering duty right now. So thank you so much to all of you. I am here, at tayo po'y manalangin sa Diyos. Ama naming Diyos, maraming salamat po sa mga biyayang, mga pag-iingat at yung mga pagliligtas po sa buhay na ito, Ama. At lahat po ng aming ginagawa sa buhay na ito, Ama, ay nakasasalalay at nagmula po sa iyo, Ama. Ama po naming Diyos, daragdagan niyo pa ang maraming pag-iingat at mga pagliligtas niyo po sa aming buhay na ito, Ama. Ama, magandang umaga, at maraming salamat po na kami po yung binubuhay at yung ginigising, at kami po habang wala pong tunog sa trabaho ito, Ama, kasi po ako po naka-rendered ng duty ngayon, Ama. Ikaw po ang bahala sa akin, Ama, at sa lahat po ng aking pagsubok sa buhay na ito, Ama, ay nakasalalay po sa inyo, Ama. At sino man, Ama, ang hahadlang po sa aking pagpapatupad ng aking batas, Ama, sa batas ng ating yung bayang itinatag, Ama, ay hindi po ako matitinag at matatakot po sa kanila, Ama. Sana po, Ama, tulungan niyo po ako, gabayan niyo po ako sa lahat ng aking ginagawa sa buhay. At Ama, ikaw po ang magbibigay ng maraming mga panalangin, grasya, panalangin sa buhay. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Ama. Ama, hihilingin po namin ang iyong kalooban upang daragdagan niyo po ang mga pag-iingat at yung mga pagliligtas po sa buhay namin ito. Ama, ito po'y tangi kong hinihiling po sa pangalan po ng nag-iisa ninyong anak na si Jesucristo. Amen. So, ganun ho, mga kaibigan, just we are here today, that we are on that way, that we are in the celebrating of the national and local elections, that I hoping so much to all the Filipino people who are selecting or choosing the best one among the best, mga kaibigan, just to be in that peaceful, in the good manner of the elections around the world. Power and money is not enough to make any violence in our country. Just do it properly, peacefully, in the good manner. no, mga kaibigan, kasi yung buhay ho natin sa mundong ito ay hindi po ay hanggang doon lang, no, mga kaibigan. Just pray God, happy Sabbath day sa lahat.